Hey, my friends. Today I want to talk to you about something I feel is really important as a photographer, and it's oftentimes overlooked. And that would be the art of printing your own photos. Now, these days, dark rooms, they're history, they're in the past. Nowadays, we just upload our photos digitally to social media. People look at them, maybe give them a couple hearts, give them some likes, and they move on. Now, this may be convenient, but it has taken away some of the romanticism and the anticipation and excitement of developing our own photos. One of the reasons I like to print my photos now, keep in mind, I don't print all of my images. I print some here and there just to see how things are looking because you may have missed something. A printed image looks so much different than an image that's displayed on a high resolution monitor. These fancy monitors are so bright, sometimes you don't realize that maybe the darks are too dark or maybe the highlights are blown out. In relation to that, printing also allows you to see where your camera might excel or where it might lack. Now, sometimes you get a printed image and it's exactly what you want, and that makes you very happy. Other times, not quite, so you know you need to make adjustments somewhere. Holding a physical print in your hands and then maybe looking for that perfect frame to match it is something that can't be replicated just by uploading your photos to social media. One of the biggest reasons I feel you should be printing your photographs goes beyond the basics of, oh, look what I did, look what I created. It's the potential inspiration that photo can bring. Imagine this photo hanging on an athlete's wall. Siblings come in or friends come over and see this great action shot that they have on their wall. It could be inspiration for these individuals to think, hey, I want to be in a shot like that. Or imagine this image being hung up in a coach's office where players, athletes are seeing it every single day. It's not like on social media where they're flipping through it. They see it for a second and they never see it again. This one is a constant reminder of what they could be striving for as athletes. Basically, what I'm saying is your photograph has the potential to change somebody's life. Let that sink in. Change somebody's life, to inspire them to be the athlete that they've always wanted to be. It's more convenient, yes. Throw everything out there on social media. Takes a little more effort to print your photos, but it's definitely worth it. Printing your own photographs also allows you to do something really special. You can choose the paper finish that you want for your image. For instance, you might want glossy paper, which can bring out the vibrant colors in your photo, while matte paper can work well with black and white images. When it comes to printing your images, you have a couple of choices. You can print at home, which I will be upfront and say it can be costly to print at home, but it is a lot of fun to see the print coming out of the printer. Or you can send it to a lab. Plenty of online labs out there that will give you some great service. In today's digital world, I feel it's extremely important to produce something that's tangible, something that you can hold in your hands. Printing our photographs allows us to do just that. And holding a physical print in my hands, well, for me and maybe for some of you, reminds me of the importance of photography as an art form. We're sports photographers, but we're also artists. With that being said, everybody, thank you for joining me and get out and print.